Welcome guys, my name is Chamika. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to teach you the Java programming language. So you don't need any experience with Java programming or any other programming language. I will teach you from the beginning. Okay. First of all, I will tell you what is Java program. So Java is a very widely used programming language in the world. So you can actually do many things with Java. You can gather data. You can create apps, and also you can create websites, and also you can create AI models with Java programming. And let me tell you why we are learning this Java programming. So Java is a very easy language, so you can easily pick up this programming language. And also the other programs languages are the same with this Java program. Some codes will be similar with other programming language, so you can easily pick up any other language when you learn this Java program. So let me teach you Java program from the beginning. So the first thing is we need a place to write the program. So actually you can write the program in a piece of paper, and also you can use Microsoft Word, and also you can use Notepad. But when you write that code, you need a place to run that code. Okay, you need to place a run that code and test it. So in that case, we need a place where you can write the code and also you can run the code. So there are so many programs, softwares you can use to that purpose. So most popular software is Apache-NetBeans. Okay, so in this video I will teach you how to download and install Apache-NetBeans. First of all, you need to install Java when you write the Java programming language. Okay, first of all we need to install Java. So go to the first link in the description, or else you can do it in this way. First go to the search bar and type Java JDK, and you can go to the first link here. So you can see there are two versions in this Java. So there is Java 20 and Java 17. You can download either of these two JDK versions. So I will download JDK 20. Here you can see there are multiple downloads. You can download for Linux and Mac OS here, and also for Windows. So in this case I am using Windows operating system. So I will go to Windows, and just here you can see three separate downloads links. This is for Achieve Compress, and this is for install, and this is for MSI install. So just install this one, download the installer. Okay, just clicking this one. Here you can start the downloading. Okay, I am finished downloading the Java. So next you want to download the Apache-NetBeans. So go to the second link in the description, or just open new tab and just type Apache-NetBeans download. Okay, here go to the first link, and here also go to the Apache-NetBeans download. Okay, here you can see there are several installers and packages for Apache for Windows, and also for Mac OS, and also here you can see for Linux. So for Apache-NetBeans also I'm going to install for Windows. So I'm going to download this first one. Okay, just click on that. Here you can see several backup sites. So first go to the first link. Okay, you can see the download is start. Just start the download, and we will see after downloading how we install the Java and the Apache-NetBeans. Okay, the both software installers are download, and I have saved that in my desktop. Okay, here you can see the JDK, Java, and the Apache-NetBeans. So first of all, you need to install the Java, or otherwise when you try to install NetBeans, so it won't be installed. They will ask to install the Java first. So first of all, let's install Java. Just double click the packet. So this is the setup to install Java. So first of all, go to next, and here is the path where do we need to save the Java program, I mean the Java software. Okay, so you can change the path from here. When you go to change, you can change the path here. Okay, I will install to the same path. Okay, go to next, and here you can see the Java is installing. It is very easy process. It is extracting install. So let's wait until install this Java. Okay, so Java is successfully installed. So you can see it is installed. So you can click here and close it. Okay, the Java is installed. So let's go to install Apache-NetBeans. Okay, so just go to that installer. Just double click it. So it is configuring the installer. So let's wait until it is configuration. Still configuration. Okay, so here you can see what they are installing. So base IDE is the place that we are going to use. Okay, and also Java SE and Java E. So you can customize that from the here. Let's install all. So go to next, and here you have to accept the agreement. Okay, accept the terms. Just tick that one and go to next. And here you can see there are two paths. The first path is where do we need to install the NetBeans. Okay, so if you want to install the NetBeans in any other path, you can go to browse and change the path. Okay, and the next path, this path is where we install the Java. Okay, so it is automatically taken the path, or otherwise you have to go to browse. And here I will show you. To C, go to program file and go to and JDK. See this one and press OK. Okay, so this will ask where did you install the Java previously. Okay, so go to next, and here you can check this or not. Okay, just install. So it is very easy. So let's wait until the install is complete. Okay guys, we have successfully installed the Apache-NetBeans and also the Java. Okay, so just click finish, then it is all finished. So here you can see the icon of Apache-NetBeans. So just double click and open it. I will show you the first program in Apache-NetBeans. Okay, how to write programs. It is loading the modules. So this is the interface of Apache-NetBeans. Okay, so I will teach you these all tabs. First of all, go to active features. Okay, activate features and check whether all the features are activated. So just close it, and here, so let's do our first project. Okay, let's create our first project. Go to file and create new project, or else here you have the shortcut. Click here. Here you can see there are several applications. Okay, first click the Java with and. Okay, that category, that is the category that we are going to use when we write the Java. So just click Java with and here click Java application. Okay, just click next. So here you can change the project name. You can change this project name to any name that you want. Okay, I will write hello. Okay, so the project location, you can change the project location, the location that are going to save our project. So I will change the paths education. I will change here for Java beginners. Okay, here it is asked to create main class or not. Okay, so here you can change the main class. Just I will type hello. Okay, so then you have to create, just finish. So the project has been created. You can see here the project line. That means when you click here, you can see the files inside our project. Okay, this is the class that we have created when we created the project. Okay, this is like a file explorer. Okay, when you create a new another project, the project will be appear here. Okay, so let's do our first program. Okay, what is our first program? So let's program to print hello world. Okay, so basically that is the first program for every language. So I will write the program to print the hello world. So the program will be system dot out dot print ln. Okay, here you have to use double quotation mark, hello world. Okay, so this is our program. So I will teach you this one by one, what is the class and what is the main class, okay, main method in the future videos. So let's check our program is running or not. So for run this program, you can just click here, run. So you can see it is showing hello world. Also there is another way to run this program. So just right click here and go to run file. Okay, it is also showing the hello world. So that means our program is correct. Okay, so we have finished our first program in Java. I will teach you the other Java program codes in the future videos. So if you want to learn Java programming language, please subscribe the YouTube channel. So stay tuned guys. I will meet you in the next video.